It is compatible with the other components we are using. Has multiple M.2 slots for expansion in the future to add more storage. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you don't need an Ethernet cable. It also has a lot of USB slots, and because the CPU is compatible with the motherboard because of the AM4 socket and B550 chipset. More RAM is helpful for larger game development files, and you can still have programs open in the background. It can support up to 128 gigabytes of RAM, which means that it can run more demanding applications while being faster, smoother, and having an overall more wonderful experience. This RAM also has amazing overclocking performance. It has great space for upgrades in the future because of how much power we would have left, and is more than enough for the components that we are using. The PC uses around 360 watts under full load. This power supply has an 80+ bronze rating. This means that the power supply will be at least 80% efficient.
This SSD is faster than a regular 2.5-inch SSD. This SSD has everything that a new game developer would need. It has 1 terabyte of storage, and that is perfect. You will also be able to keep all of your games that you have made and all the programs on the SSD.
This processor is great for entry-level game development and more. Its smoothness is 1080p, no graphics required, 6 cores and 12 processing threads with a stealth core. Its max boost that it can get for overclock is 4.4 gigahertz max.
This GPU is equivalent to an RTX 3060 for less money. It has 8 gigs of VRAM, which is good for game development.
The reason we chose this fan is because of the rotational speed and because it has 4 heat pipes and a 120 millimeter control fan, which is great for the CPU's heat. The max airflow would be about 68.2 CFM, and the noise is 13.8 to 30.5 dB.